Welcome back to Angel's Toy Surprise.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Angel's Toy Surprise and a Happy New Year. Today I'm unboxing this mini sweet card, but before we get started, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So let's take a look at the packaging. At the packaging it says mini sweet card. It has 30 pieces included in here. It says lights and sound. You can see the picture of the sweet card. You can flip the box around and it has the same thing. So at the side of the box it has all of the contents that are included. As you can see, all of the sweet treats. So now let's get started unboxing. So I'm opening the tape here. Let's open the box from the side. So let's take everything out. And there are stickers and a card. So there are all of the things that are out of the box. So now let's take a look. What did we got? We got some stickers to decorate a sweet card. We got the main base stand and the top piece. Now let's open this baggie up and see what did we get inside of here. We got this little stick and another tray to put ice creams and sweets and some coins. I'm going to keep this aside too. Let's open this bag. We have some wheels and screws over here and more sticks and more little things. And let's open our sweets up. It's in this bag. Let's open it up. We got an ice cream cone. We can put the ice cream in here and we can see how it looks like this. We have ice creams, lollipops and candies and more stuff. So now let's get started assembling. So first we're going to pop these coins out of this tray. You can pop them out easily like this. Like this. I'm going to take this one. This is for plain money. I really like this. So first we're going to open this baggie up which has the screws. I'm going to take everything out of this baggie. And I'm going to keep this aside. Now we're going to take our 4 wheels. And we're going to take the first one and put the small screwdriver in like this. And we're going to take the big screwdriver and put it right in here tightly. As you can see, I have attached the first wheel. Now it's rolling too. So you have to attach the other wheels like this. So now we're going to take this yellow piece and attach our little wheels to it like this. As you can see this piece, we're going to attach it tightly like this. And you have to attach the other wheels like this. So let me attach the other ones too. So I've attached all 4 wheels and as you can see our car is working. So now we're going to take this piece right here, this spray piece, and at the back we have to fix cell inside of here. I'm using Duracell. You can take the help of a parent to fix the cell inside. It has lights in it. So I've taken this compartment out with the help of a parent. I've used screwdriver to do that. Now we're going to put the cells in. It's already playing music. Now we're going to put this back. And if you press this button, it will shut. And now let's put this compartment back on. So as you can see, it played music. If you press this heart, it will play it again. I really like the music. And you can shut it like this too. And it also plays lights. So let's put it right here. I think it goes this way. Yes, it goes this way. I'm gonna put it. So I've put it just like this. So next step is you have to take and these two pieces. So we have to put this piece right into here, this white cube, like this, as you can see. Now we're going to take the next yellow piece and put it like this, a little bit tight. Put it as tight as you can, like this. So I've put it like this yellow piece. Now we're going to attach it right here to this. So now we're going to attach this stick to this piece like this, and I've also attached this piece too. Now we're going to take this flower piece, we're going to put it like this inside. As you can see, it looks so cool like this. And now we're going to take a top shelf like this. I'm going to put it like this, as you can see. So our structure is ready. You can see it looks so cute. It even works like this. So I've put everything together. Now I'm going to put stickers on the candy. So I'm going to keep this aside. So first let's take this candy, and I'm going to take this strawberry sticker. You can also take a look at the stickers. I'm going to take the strawberry sticker and put it like this. So we have strawberry candy. So let's take this one next and put this sticker. So I'm really enjoying how to put these stickers, and everything is so wonderful and even plays music. So now let's put the next sticker. I really like this candy shop toy. It even comes with coins, play money. I'm gonna put this candy like this. It looks so cute. Now we're going to take an ice cream and put this piece on top so it could become an ice cream cone. It looks like real ice cream. I really like it. And we get some lollipops with it. As you can see, they're so cute and detailed. And now let's take our next candy. Let's take this one and put the sticker of which flavor sticker should be put on. I think I'm going to put the chocolate. I love chocolate flavor, so I'm going to put the chocolate next. I'm going to peel it from this side like this and put it on a lollipop. Now let's take our next lollipop and put the next sticker. This is a green candy. So now I'm going to put a candy sticker on this candy. As you can see, this red one. Let's put it on like this. So here's the candy thread. You can see also sticker. It's so cute. Now let's take this chocolate. I love chocolates. Now let's take this one sticker like this and put it on top of a chocolate, so our customers could know this is the chocolate. So I've put the two chocolate stickers on. Now let's put our other ice cream cones and other candies like this. You have to put it on really tightly so it doesn't get off. Now let's put this candy sticker, this one. And let's put it all around this candy. Like this, I've put in this sticker on this candy. So now let's decorate a candy shop because I've decorated all of these candies. So let's put this sweet sticker on a candy shop. Let's take it out carefully. Like this, and I'm going to put it at the top of a candy shop sweet. Let me twirl it around so you can see like this. And let's put the sticker sweet shop because it is a candy shop, so people should know. Let's put it down here. Like this, and let me put it at the back too. Like this, I've put the stickers all around it. Now let's decorate a candy shop. I'm really enjoying it. It's gonna look so pretty. So let's put the ice creams in this area like this. And let's put our rest of the ice cream cone in this please, and lollipops too. Like this. We put it like here too. This blue's yummy. And put it at the back also. And now I'm going to put this strawberry lollipop like this here. Slide it. And these two ice creams. Like this. Now I'm going to put these rest of our candies here. Chocolates and everything. So like this. So now I'm going to put our coins. So as you can see, I've decorated it. It looks so pretty rolling like this. You can roll it. Now we're gonna also play the music. There's this heart button. Wow, it looks so pretty like this. It has lights and music. I'm gonna turn it on for all of you guys. Take a look at the ice cream cart. It's all ready. It looks so pretty. It has so many candies. I really love it. There's a lollipop and 2 candies, ice creams and strawberry flavored candies, even chocolates and many more things. So you can take a look at the sweet cart. So it looks like a customer is coming to our shop. That is LOL surprise. Let's see which ice cream would she like. Let me pick out which ice cream will I pick. There's so many, can't even believe it. I think I'm gonna get a chocolate right here. Could I get it? Yes, of course. So she loved this chocolate. Let's see what else she wants to get. I think I'm gonna take this vanilla flavored ice cream or this candy or lollipop. I think I'm gonna take this purple ice cream too. I think it's enough because it's too much or I'll get a sugar rush. So Ella is surprised. Your total is 25 because the chocolate is a 5 and the ice cream is a 20. Oh good, I bought enough money for the ice cream and the chocolate. Here we go, thank you. Let me keep it in my ice cream shop. Thank you for visiting. Bye. Bye bye. So I really love this ice cream shop. It was so amazing. You get so many ice cream, sweet treats with it. You get chocolates, candies, ice creams, lollipops and play money too, so you can pretend that you're playing. And it's also, the wheels also work on this and you can also hold it like this. And love the top piece of it, like the shelter types. It's so pretty. I really love the color combination too, and I hope you also liked it. And please watch my Christmas video also and other toy videos also if you like this video. And please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in my next video. Bye. Bye bye and a happy new year.
Please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon down below.